Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGS Net Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the walk-in interviews in one of the state government university, that is Ramadevi Women's University. And here the contact number and email ID is also given. And candidates are invited to attend walk-in interview from 5th November 2020 to 11th November 2020 for appointment of guest faculty in the UG and PG departments of the university as per the following schedule. So here the departments and the date of interview is given here, and this notification is for the only postgraduate candidates in this department. So here the UGSNet or the PhD, they are not asking about those qualifications. So the candidates who belongs to these departments with post graduation qualification, then you can apply, guys. I mean, you can go for the interview. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. Okay, here UGSNet or PhD is not mandatory, so it is a very good news to get the job in the state government university. And coming to the 5th November morning 11 a.m. life science, mathematics, statistics, physics, philosophy, sociology, history. And 6th November botany, chemistry, political science, music, commerce and psychology. 9th November economics, Hindi, Sanskrit, environmental science, computer science, zoology, home science. 10th November English, biotechnology. 11th November education and ODI. And the timings are, all the subject timings are morning 11 a.m. And coming to the remuneration, 500 rupees only per class subject to maximum limit of the 20,000 rupees only per month. And coming to the conditions, the candidates are required to come to the personal interview with a filled in application form in the format enclosed with self-attested photocopies of their certificates, mark sheets of all examinations, and a recent colored passport size photograph pasted on the front page. No application by post shall be entertained before the date of personal interview. So you need not to send any post. The engagement is purely temporary for one academic year, and the TADA will not be provided. And the eligibility criteria for UG and PG departments, the candidates who have secured at least 55% marks in PG and 50% of marks for the SC, ST and PWD category in master's degree are eligible to apply. The retired professors and experts in relevant fields up to the age of 65 may submit their biodata for consideration. They are not required to attend the interview board. And the educational qualification for ODI, political science, philosophy, history, commerce, economics, Hindi, English, music, statistics, psychology and sociology, zoology, physics, chemistry, botany, Sanskrit, home science, education, computer science, mathematics and biotechnology. Just only PG in these departments, the concerned subjects. And coming to the industrial microbiology, MSc in industrial microbiology with adequate experience in conducting microbiology practicals. Candidates with MPhil or PhD in the subject will be preferred. Environmental science, PG in environmental science or botany or zoology with specialization in environmental biology. So documents to be brought at the time of interview, filled in application form with passport size photograph and self-attested photocopies of certificates and mark sheets of all examination passed, experience certificate, copies of publications if any, and the caste certificate and the original certificates to be produced at the time of interview for verification. The selection process will be purely provisional and can be rejected anytime without assigning any reason thereof. And candidates will here to adhere to the COVID-19 guidelines during the interview. So wear the mask, bring the sanitizer and maintain the social distance. So it is application form, guys. Okay. So it is the notification or else walk-in interview for the candidates belongs to these departments with PG qualification. No need of UGSNet and no need of PhD. So you can attend for the walk-in interview, guys. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGSNet Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC net electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC net electronic science. Thank you, guys.